trains such as Rajdhani, Shatabdi, Agast Kranti, Duronto Express, and attends to VIPs when they travel by train. Magme's latest achievement is winning a bronze medal at the 59th All India Police Duty Meet for explosive detection. The department will now be presented with a memento. Railway Police, Oscar and Hira, can we please have you on stage? Along with handlers, PSI Vinod Balal, and Shri Mane. Oscar works as a sniffer dog at the Mumbai Railway Dog Unit. Oscar has secured a gold medal at the All India Police Duty Meet. He has also handled many threat calls and has a very high detection ratio. His first handler, Mr. Vinod Balal, was promoted to Police Sub-Inspector for his astonishing work with Oscar. Hira is the newest dog and works as an explosive sniffer dog. He is considered as the fittest dog at the training center. He performs many duties such as anti-sabotage checks, VIP checking, bomb threat calls, etc. Hira would be representing Railway Bomb Squad in the All Maharashtra Police Duty Meet 2016.
Thank you so much, sir. Now I would like to call upon the Department of the Mumbai Police Protection Branch dog Milo, along with handler Deepak Ambole. Milo, along with handler Deepak Ambole. Milo works in the Department of Bomb Detection and Explosive Detection. Please give it up for him. Thank you so much, sir. And now I would just like to call upon the Department of Airport Customs to please come up on stage along with dogs Jimmy and Anju. Please accept the memento, and we're extremely sorry to not have presented this earlier. So deepest regrets. Please guys, can you please clap for them? Thank you so much, sir. And now, with this, ladies and gentlemen, we have now finished with the felicitations of our four-legged friends. I would like to thank all the delegates on the dais. I would like to thank the delegates on the stage to present award to have been presented awards. Thank you so much. And everyone, please, one last clap for all of the four-legged canine friends. Come on. We would like to thank all the departments who've taken up time along with their dogs to have come here in this heat and accepted our awards. Thank you so much. We would now like to go forward with the program, and I would like to request the Animal Angels therapist and the owner to please come up on stage and address the audience and share their experience on training of therapy dogs and how they are used and where they are used. Dr. Karkhanis, if you could please join us on stage. Shruti Gogia, the PR in charge, would like to felicitate Dr. Karkhanis now.
Good afternoon, everyone. A big thank you for the Bombay Veterinary College for hosting this event and felicitating all the brave hearts. I am Akash Lonkar from Animal Angels Foundation, and we work in the field of animal assisted therapy. We are the only NGO in India working in the field of animal assisted therapy. It's been 13 years since we have started this field in India, and today we are really honored to be felicitated at this event. I would like to speak about our therapy dogs, Goldie, therapy dog Pepe, therapy dog Sunshine, and therapy dog Coco. These four dogs have been felicitated today at this event, but Goldie is our senior most therapy dog. She's been working for the past 13 years in this past 11 years in this field, and right from the age of 4 months she was trained to be an in-house therapy dog. She's worked constantly for the past 10 years and she has helped different people. She has worked at different settings, right from working with children with special needs. She has visited special schools. She has worked on juvenile delinquent centers. She has worked at the Mumbai International Airport now, and it's been high time that she got felicitated. Therapy dog Pepe has been working for the past 3.5 years or 4 years now, and she has been trained to interact with children right from the age of 3 months. She's also working at the Mumbai International Airport currently as comfort dog, and she has also worked with children with special needs. She visits Vasant Vihar School in Thane, and she has also visited Bal Kalyan Sanstha in Pune for therapy sessions. Therapy dog Sunshine is a 2-year-old golden retriever, and she's also working as a comfort dog at Mumbai International Airport. And therapy dog Coco. Coco has a special mention because he is being trained as an in-house therapy dog. he was working with children with juvenile delinquents at David Sassoon Juvenile Delinquent Center, and he has helped his owner to cope up with a problem, and he has been assisting her as a therapy dog for the past 7 years, and yeah, that's it.
Thank you so much, sir. I would now like to request Associate Dean Dr. A.M. Padarkar, sir, to please felicitate. Please felicitate Mr. Akash Lonkar, sir. Now, I would like to call upon on stage PSI Vinod Ballal, sir, to please share a few words of his experience. PSI Vinod Ballal is a very experienced man in this field, and he has a lot of experience when it comes to training of sniffer dogs and trackers. So we would like him to share his experience, a personal experience with us.
थँक्यू. मी जरा मराठीमध्ये बोलून सांगे, कारण एवढं काय हिंदी हे नाही, मराठी बोलू इच्छितो. आता आपल्यासाठी म्हणजे आता खूप मोठं अचिव्हमेंट आहे आमच्यासाठी आहे की आता म्हणजे सांगायचं असं कारण आहे की मोठे बंदूक झाले, 26/11 झालं, त्यांनीच अटॅक झालं. सगळे वरिष्ठ जे लोक आहेत किंवा जे मीडिया आहे ते फक्त पोलीस कर्मचाऱ्यालाच म्हणतात की खूप चांगलं काम केलं, पण आमच्या बरोबर जे कामं करतात ना खरंच हे रिअल डॉग आहेत. म्हणजे आपल्याकडे एक वेपन आहे, त्याच्याशिवाय आम्ही काहीच नाही. म्हणजे डॉग आहे तर आम्ही आहोत. म्हणजे रिअल फॅक्ट तोच आहे की डॉगने जसं सपोर्ट करतात, जसं काय समजा आम्ही 12 तास काम केलं, 24 तास काम केलं, पण आमचे डॉग 36 तास 48 तास काम करतात. कुठलाही बंदोबस्त असेल काय असेल, तर ते आमच्यासाठी एक वेपन आहे. आणि मोस्ट ऑफ त्यांची ती ट्रेनिंग आहे ना, त्यांची ती ट्रेनिंग आहे ती विशिष्ट प्रकारची असते. जसं नॉर्मल ट्रेनिंग असते की एक सोल्जर तयार होतो, सकाळी 4 ते संध्याकाळी 6:30 वाजेपर्यंत ट्रेनिंग सुरू होते. वयाच्या 3ऱ्या महिन्यापासून त्यांची ट्रेनिंग सुरू असते. आता जसं आर्मीचे सर आहेत त्यांना माहिती आहेत, वरिष्ठ अधिकारी ते आहेत, ज्या लोकांनी डॉग ट्रेनिंग केलेलं आहे त्या लोकांना सर्व माहिती आहे की डॉगची ट्रेनिंग खूप टफ आहे. डॉगची ट्रेनिंग टफ आहे. तो आपल्या म्हणजे तो कुठल्याही शब्दाने म्हणू शकत नाही की मला हे जमत नाही, पण आम्ही त्याला प्रेशर करतो की तुला हे करायचं आहे, तुला हे करायचं, तुला करायचं आहे. त्यावेळेस तो डॉग तो सरळ करतो. आता 26/11चा एक इव्हेंट तुम्हाला सांगतो की ज्यावेळेस 26/11 इव्हेंट घटना घडली, आम्ही आमच्या हेडक्वार्टरमध्ये होतो. आम्हाला फक्त कंट्रोलने मेसेज दिला की आम्हाला त्याचा डॉग पाहिजे आहे. तिला कुठलीही घटना नव्हती की त्यांच्याकडे काय वेपन आहे, काय नाही. आम्ही कुठलाही वेपन नाही घेता, फक्त आमचं वेपन होतं एक डॉग. त्या डॉगला घेऊन आम्ही स्पॉटला पोहोचलो. जवळजवळ मुंबई ब्रिगेड, रेल्वे रॉक्सकोड यांनी जवळजवळ 4 हँड ग्रेनेड, जिवंत हँड ग्रेनेड तिथं आम्ही लोकेट केले, जे फुटले नाही पण फुटण्याच्या अवस्थेत होते. आणि त्या एरियामध्ये जवळजवळ 8 किलो RDX तिथं पडले होतं. पण कुठलाही भीती नाही, काही कोणाचे काही नाही. फक्त आम्ही आमच्या डॉगचं कामगिरी बघत होतो की आमच्या डॉगने किती चांगलं काम केलं. या उद्देशाने आम्हाला खूप मोठी अचिव्हमेंट आहे की एक पहिल्यांदा माझ्या सर्व्हिसमध्ये पहिल्यांदा असं आहे की डॉगचा सत्कार झाला आहे. तो पण वाटायचा पूर्ण ह्याच्यामध्ये खूप मोठी गोष्ट आहे आमच्यासाठी. कारण जे ॲनिमल लवर आहेत त्याला एक गोष्ट माहिती आहे, फक्त म्हणतात की हँडलर चांगला आहे किंवा ते युनिट चांगलं आहे, पण माझ्यासाठी किंवा आमच्यासाठी डॉग आहे. जर तो डॉग चांगला आहे तर आमचं युनिटचं नाव होतं, महाराष्ट्र पोलीसचं नाव होतं, मुंबई पोलीसचं नाव होतं. तरी मला खूप मोठा आनंद वाटलेला आहे. सध्याला माझी म्हणजे मी त्या डॉगवरचा हँडलर आता नाही आहे, पण माझी अटॅचमेंट म्हणून मी त्या डॉगबरोबर आलेलो आहे. ऑस्कर जो डॉग आहे माझा आहे तो माझ्या जवळजवळ 2007 पासून माझ्याजवळ डॉग आहे. तो एक माझी अटॅचमेंट आहे आणि मी त्याच्याबरोबर आलेलो आहे. आता तुम्हाला सांगायचं म्हणजे आता ही गोष्ट कशी आहे की प्रत्येकाला वाटतं की कुठलाही ॲनिमल लगेच ट्रेन होऊ शकतो, फक्त त्याला जी फॅसिलिटी देण्याची गोष्ट आहे ती आपण दिली पाहिजे. गॉड हा जसं गॉडला काही सांगायला लागत तसं डॉगला पण काही सांगत नाही. त्याच्याकडे ती नैसर्गिक देणगी आहे स्मेल घेण्याची, फक्त ती कशी घ्यावी कशी द्यावी हे काम आम्ही करत असतो. त्या जसं डॉगला सांगायची गोष्ट म्हणजे कशी आहे की डॉग जर आहे, आपला जो डॉग आहे त्या डॉगला फक्त स्मेलिंगच्या शिकवायची, त्याच्या बेसिकचे पॉईंट व्हावे, त्याच्या रोजचं जेवण देणं, ग्रूमिंग करणं किंवा त्याची काळजी घेणं हे फक्त आपण करू शकतो. हे जेव्हा तुम्ही करून त्याला देणार ना त्यावेळेस डॉग आपल्याला परफेक्ट काम करून देणार. ओके, थँक्यू.
Thank you so much, sir. And now I would like everyone to please keep a 2-minute silence for all the martyred dogs from the police, the army, and all other units where they are deployed. So please everyone, if I could request everyone to rise and maintain a 2-minute silence. In Mumbai to adopt a retired police squad dog. She is a really inspiring person and we are honored to have her here. Please everyone, give her a big round of applause. And ma'am, if you could please join us on stage and share a few words with the audience. Everyone, please let the clapping go on.
Thank you very much. I'm really honored to see such a fantastic function over here. Really, it is giving me such a joyously overwhelming feeling because I always used to wonder कि ये इतने स्प्रे डॉग जब ड्यूटी पर होते हैं, इतना काम करते हैं, फिर इनका क्या होता है. But after entering into the field of working dogs, our military dogs and our bump squad dogs, somehow now I have come to know they are kept in the best of the way. I am so fortunate, really, I am so fortunate that I got the opportunity to keep the retired police squad, bomb squad dog. Though the procedures were very long, it took 6 months for me to convince the bomb squad commissioner, please give me the dogs, I will keep them with me. Because I always used to wonder, after the retirement what? Because after retirement that they don't have any pension. And what I mean to say is that what should be done with the dogs? I really don't know. But then I approached and I requested them, and I really tell you, they were so careful. I really appreciate. They came to my farm, they saw all my facilities, even they saw my social status also, whether I can take the care of these dogs or not. Finally, lots of formalities and all this thing. They all came with the handler to my farm. 4 dogs from 2 Goregaon branch department and 2 from the Lionsgate department. They all came with the van, with a great, it was a celebration, and I can tell you it's such a pleasure. And after a few days, I got one more dog from the airport authority, Goldie, and she was a really sweetheart. I tell you one thing, I have more than 300 animals, 50 dogs, but these 4 or 5 dogs which have come to me from the police and from airport, I tell you, they are so docile, so nice. I can't believe that they have worked so much. And I feel, and I am so honored that I can look after these 4-legged soldiers. I always call them soldier bachcha. And one more thing I must tell you, कि जब ये लोग मेरे फार्म पर आए तो the trainers were also with them. बहुत अच्छे लोग होते हैं ये लोग. They love their dog. Then they started giving them the commands. वो ठीक था, but जब second time when they came and they started giving them the commands, I said no. Now they are my bachcha. Let them forget everything. I want to give them their puppyhood back because they have done lot of service to our country, to our people, to our citizens. Now they deserve. They should forget. Let them run, let them not obey, let them sleep where they want to sleep. Now they are their retirement. Now they are not supposed to take any command. And I said, look, I am going to spoil them. And these furry soldiers, oldie bachchas are thoroughly spoiled. They are sleeping, they are eating, they are playing, and they are really healthy. Unfortunately, I lost Goldie from the airport who had come. She had developed some tumor. I tried my best to give her all the treatment, but still, she couldn't survive. That I feel very bad. And also I'm looking forward that in more future all these dogs should come to me and to the other people also. And also one more very important thing, when I heard Dr. Borse give so much excellent knowledge about the dog, even the attack of yes, and so they are working so much. What I request is that, and what we are trying also, we are trying to get in touch with the government, with the state government, that please there should be some pension for these dogs. Because as you know, when our relatives, our parents, when they become old, they need medicine, they need food, they need everything. These dogs also need, और उनका तो right है. When they have served us so much for so many years, बुढ़ापे में उनको हम भूल जाएंगे क्या? No. So we are trying that they should get something which can make the adoption easy. You tell me how many dogs I can adopt? How many? I can adopt 10, 12, 15, 20. But then I have my limitation. I am not NGO. I am an individual animal lover, animal activist who is doing everything with my own money, and I work hard to earn this money.